Welcome to my channel. My name is Silinthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie down below so you can grab it if you'd like. I wanted to start my savings challenges once again. I cannot believe how well the side hustles are coming through, and then also cutting back on my spending. I'm making a choice. Do I save or do I spend? If I'm saving, I get the instant gratification of filming a video and posting it to my YouTube, which in turn keeps me motivated because you guys are cheering me on left and right, and it's been incredible to see the support. What are we stuffing today? We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $30 today is what we have that we're working with. I do need to get some change, I think, because I'm not certain this is going to work out with fives. I'm not quite to that level yet. Although it would be nice. Maybe I'll keep it spicy. We'll see. Maybe I can get some $2 bills. So all of these savings challenges you're going to see today are from SilynthiaC Budget Creations. That is my shop with Cassie J. So feel free to check it out, even if you're not purchasing any items at this time. If you do some window shopping, maybe favorite a couple of the items that you think are really pretty, or maybe you're interested in getting at a later date. Okay, so let's see where we can get some change because, oh, maybe there. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so don't have a change in this order. Let me check on those. Clearly, I need to come back to my freebies. I've been working so much in my SilynthiaC savings challenges, but you will see a freebie savings challenge coming soon. So let's just mix up this cash and see if maybe we can't get a couple of these. I don't know how well I'm mixing it. I should have done. Let's see here. We can get one in there. Okay, so let's grab 2 bills, and then we'll put it into. I see that works well for me. So got my dice, and I have a few of them that are kind of close. I think one of them is only one away, so hopefully we get that one completed. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 6. Oh, having too many bills. Okay. 5. 5. Only needed 4, and we have 4, so that one's completed. 1. 6. 6. 3. 1. 5. 5 is completed. 1. 6. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got here. Our first savings challenge, Coffee and Puppies, is getting $2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in total we have $2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. All right, number 2 didn't get anything today, and it didn't get anything last time either. I think it was that one. All right, so number 3 is getting $2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 as well. Okay. 1, 2, 3, And this is the first time we're stuffing this one today. So all right, number 4, which would have been completed had we had $1, even just $1. It's not completed though, so we're going to continue on to coffee and puppies, or coffee, more coffee, please. Got $2, $3, $4, which completed the savings challenge. Let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So excited to see the progress. So we saved $5, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16 with this savings challenge. And let's see here. Maybe I'll just snag one of these. I still haven't laminated my savings challenges, so I'm just going to grab this werewolf savings challenge, and I made it really small. So, but I need to actually, as a matter of fact, I think you know what? We're not going to worry about it. Move on, Silenthia, because that's how you're doing these days. Moving on. Alright, let's see here. We got quite a bit of cash in here, and I'm not certain how many times we hit this envelope, so I think what we'll do is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. I think what we'll do is we will mark off 2 of my numbers. That sounds good to me. So basically what I was trying to do is every time I do a roll and save or flip a card and save, I would mark off a number. It's not a specific number, I'm just going in order because I'm not following the weeks per se. I'm just using it as a tracker to stuff this envelope. So now we have 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, $26 is what we have here. And let's see here, we have 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I'm just going to take this 20. I've been trying to save this 20. I'm going to figure out how I'm going to be able to save it and not touch it, because these savings challenges are actually to go into my sinking funds, which in turn that's basically what I spend. I do have a sinking fund that I'm thinking I may actually put it into, because that one is the one I'm working on saving a little bit more long term. Okay, so what did I just do? Okay, that's it. Changed my 20 there. Perfect. Then we completed our More Coffee Please savings challenge, and hopefully you guys will see a freebie binder cash stuffing. Now the freebies are from other shops as well as our shop, so I really am enjoying having multiple savings challenges going at one time. I would like to see some of the bigger ones pan out, so that's my hope, is to continue on. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.